Fbml stands for Facebook Markup Language, and it's very similar to HTML, but it's different enough that it has to be only used within the fan pages of Facebook. So remember, this can only be used within your fan page on Facebook, not on your profile page. So what exactly do you want to use this for? Well, the whole purpose of internet marketing, social networking, blogs, they're all used to gain one thing, and that's more business through leads. So I'm going to show you some examples of how you can put your Fbml code into place so that you can gain more leads too. First, let me show you some examples of the ways that we have put some Fbml code into place on TechSavvy Agent's fan page. First of all, you'll see here that there's a tab Ask TechSavvy. And underneath that tab, you'll see that there's a blurb here that talks about how you can gain information just by entering your email address here and clicking on here. Well, by entering your address here, that's going to go into the RSS feed that TechSavvy Agent has set up, and now you've gained a new lead. Another way that Fbml code has been used on TechSavvy Agent's page is by creating this tab. And here, some code has been put into place where this is the landing page of a non-fan. Non-fan will end up when they first visit your fan page. And you'll see here that we've added some GIF files and some attentions being given to clicking on the Become a Fan button here, which will also help gain your fans to the 5,000 mark too. Okay, so now you're probably asking, how do you get the Fbml code onto your fan page? Well, first of all, you need to go to your fan page, and I've created one here just for the purpose of showing you this. And you're going to go to your fan page and you're going to click on the Edit Page button. And what you're going to do is find the static Fbml application and you're going to add it to your fan page, because that application is what you're going to use to create the different tabs on your fan page. So let's just say that this static Fbml is not located here and you have to go search for it. So you're going to click on the Browse More button here, and then type in Fbml, and it will come up right here. Click on Static Fbml, click on Add to My Page, choose the page that you want to add it to, and then close. You'll then want to go back to your fan page. The easiest way to do that is to go down to the bottom and click on Advertising, Pages at the top, and manage your existing pages over on the right. Then you're going to want to click on Edit Page again on your fan page that you're working on. You'll now see that you have the static Fbml application added to your fan page, as it is right here. What you're then going to want to do is create your own tabs using this static Fbml application. So here's how you do that. Click on the Edit button, and just to go back to giving you an example of a simple tab that you can add into your fan page, this here is from FeedBurner, and it's an RSS feed where individuals will come and enter their email address here, and they will now be getting emails from you on a regular basis as soon as you update your blog or wherever your FeedBurner information is. So let's put this on a new fan page tab using static Fbml. So you've gotten here and you want to then take your FeedBurner HTML code and simply add it in here. What you're going to want to make sure you do is add this Facebook markup language to the beginning and to the end of your HTML code. This tells Facebook that this is code that they are going to recognize to use when submitting the application and tab. So once you've put it in here, you're going to want to scroll down to the bottom, click on Save Changes, and now you can go back to your fan page wall, and this is how you're going to have it show up as a tab up here. You're going to click on Edit Page. You're going to go back down to your static Fbml application, and you're going to click on the application settings, and you're now going to say that you want it to be available and added to your tab. So you can click on Add. It's already been added as a box, and I'll show you what that means in a minute. Press OK, and then what we want to do now is we want to go back and edit and make sure that we're changing the name of this to what it's actually representing. So in the box title, you're going to want to change that to say something along the lines of learn more, or whatever the case may be for your specific tab. Then again, scroll down to the bottom and save your changes. Go back to your fan page, and I'm now going to show you how you're going to add it to your list of tabs up here. You're going to click on the arrow buttons here, and now you're going to see this new tab that we've created here. And here's what we've just added. So now what we're going to do is we're going to bring it over here by clicking and holding and pulling it over so that it's more in the front and center of the fan page wall, right here. Alright, so also what we want to do is we want to take the box and change it to so that it's showing up on your wall over here, which is really important too for gaining more attention. So click on the arrows again here, and now you'll see the boxes. This is going to bring up the same tab that you've created here, but what you want to do is click on this little pencil, and you're going to move it to the wall tab. By clicking on this link right here, it's going to take you back to the wall, and you're now going to see this box just like this here, but on your wall as well. So that's pretty cool, right? Okay, so that was really just a very basic idea of how you can utilize the Fbml coding within your fan page. I'm going to show you a couple more examples of how you can use it in a more in-depth aspect. And let me just pull up here Cindy Allen, who's out in Dallas-Fort Worth. This is her fan page, and one of her tabs that we've created is the home values, and here we've taken her website design and added it to her fan page. We've got links going on here that will take you to different pages of her website, and then underneath we've also got her market snapshot with top producer, and which can be filled out directly here within the fan page, and so that's pretty awesome too. Here's one more neat example of how you can utilize the Fbml. Under the Market Snapshot tab that we've created, we also have a more in-depth example of what the Market Snapshot tool can do for both buyers and sellers. And this goes into depth and detail, and each of these pictures will take the individual to the Market Snapshot sign-up page, whereas it will give you some more leads. So this is just one single fan page giving some more detail on what they'll get, and each of these will take them directly to the Market Snapshot sign-up page. So I hope that's given you some good examples what you can do and how to get started by adding the static Fbml application to your fan page, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.